Welcome to this comprehensive guide on DynamoDB, Amazon's fully managed NoSQL database service. DynamoDB is designed to handle massive scale with single-digit millisecond latency. Whether you're building a real-time application, a mobile backend, or an analytics platform, DynamoDB provides the performance and reliability you need. Throughout this video, we'll explore its architecture, key concepts, and best practices to help you build scalable applications. DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database service offered by Amazon Web Services. Fully managed means Oz handles all the infrastructure, patching, and maintenance for you. NoSQL stands for not only SQL, which means it doesn't use traditional relational tables like SQL databases. Instead, DynamoDB stores data in a flexible format optimized for fast key-value access. It automatically scales to handle any amount of traffic, from hundreds to millions of requests per second. You pay only for the throughput you use, making it cost-effective for variable workloads. DynamoDB organizes data into three fundamental concepts. A table is the top-level container, similar to a table in a relational database. Within a table, you store items, which are individual records. Each item contains attributes, which are name-value pairs that hold the actual data. For example, if you have a users table, an item might represent one user, and attributes could include the user ID, name, email, and creation date. Unlike traditional databases, DynamoDB items can have different attributes, giving you flexibility to evolve your data structure over time. The primary key is the unique identifier for each item in a table. DynamoDB supports two types of primary keys. A simple primary key consists of just a partition key, which determines which partition stores the item. A composite primary key combines a partition key and a sort key, allowing you to query items with the same partition key in different orders. Choosing the right partition key is critical for performance because it determines how DynamoDB distributes your data across partitions. A good partition key spreads requests evenly, while a bad one can create hot partitions that become bottlenecks. Indexes allow you to query your data in ways other than the primary key. A global secondary index, or GSI, lets you query using a different partition key and sort key combination. Global secondary indexes are independent of your main table and consume their own throughput. A local secondary index, or LSI, must have the same partition key as the main table but a different sort key. Local secondary indexes share throughput with the main table and have a size limit of 10 gigabytes. Use indexes to support alternative query patterns without scanning your entire table. DynamoDB supports two consistency models for reads. Strongly consistent reads return the most up-to-date data, guaranteed. This is useful when you need the absolute latest value. Eventually consistent reads may return slightly stale data, but are faster and cheaper. This works because DynamoDB replicates data across multiple servers. A strongly consistent read waits for all replicas to confirm before returning. An eventually consistent read returns immediately, even if some replicas haven't updated yet. Choose based on your application needs. Financial transactions typically need strong consistency, while displaying a user's follower count can tolerate eventual consistency. DynamoDB uses throughput as the unit for scaling. Read capacity units measure the number of strongly consistent reads per second for items up to 4 kilobytes in size. Write capacity units measure the number of writes per second for items up to 1 kilobyte in size. You can provision a fixed amount of throughput, which costs predictably but may waste capacity if your load varies. Alternatively, use on-demand billing, where you pay per request. This is ideal for unpredictable workloads. Autoscaling automatically adjusts your provision capacity based on traffic, finding a middle ground between fixed and on-demand. DynamoDB streams capture item-level changes to your table in real time. Every time you insert, modify, or delete an item, the stream records that change. Changes are retained for 24 hours. Streams enable event-driven architectures. You can trigger Lambda functions to react to changes, replicate data to other systems, or maintain audit logs. This is incredibly useful for building responsive applications. For example, when a user signs up, a stream event can trigger Lambda to send a welcome email, update analytics, and notify other services, all without your application code handling these tasks. Operational excellence requires monitoring, backups, and disaster recovery planning. Enable CloudWatch metrics to track consumed capacity, latency, and errors. Set up alarms to notify you when throughput approaches limits or latency spikes. Regular backups protect against accidental data loss. DynamoDB offers point-in-time restore, allowing you to recover to any second within the past 35 days. For critical applications, enable cross-region backups. Run practice drills to ensure your team can respond to incidents quickly. Document your recovery procedures and test them regularly. A well-prepared team can minimize downtime and data loss during incidents. DynamoDB is a partitioned key-value store with optional global and local secondary indexes and real-time streams. The core principle is leveraging partitioning to achieve massive scale with low latency. Design your access patterns first, then choose partition keys that distribute load evenly. Select the consistency model appropriate for each query. Use streams for event-driven patterns and multi-region replication for high availability. Remember that DynamoDB is a managed service, which means you focus on your application rather than database operations. Start with on-demand billing if your traffic is unpredictable, then move to provisioned capacity as patterns stabilize. Test your recovery procedures regularly to ensure business continuity. With these principles, you can build highly scalable, performant applications on DynamoDB.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.